as you guys can see, I already did my brows. Let me know if you guys want a brow tutorial. But right here, I'm just carving them out. I'm also prepping my eyelid for eyeshadow. So now to prep my face, I'm going to use the YSL NU Glow-In Balm. I really love this primer because it does hydrate, but it also gives me a really nice glow to my skin. You guys will see right now how nice and filter my skin looks. Now I'll be using this Blot and Blur primer from Nudestix. I'm just going to apply this on my T-zone areas, mainly where I, sweat a little and also where my pores are visible. So now to lock everything in and bring back a little bit of hydration, I'm taking this Tarte Stay Spray. For foundation today, I'll be using the Tom Ford Traceless Matte Foundation in the shade Sepia, and I'm going to apply it with my cosmetic brush. I'm not sure what name or number this is, but I'll link it below for you guys. And as you guys can see, this foundation is just absolutely amazing. I have no filter on, so you guys can really see how nice it's applying on my skin. If you guys want to see my flawless base routine, I do have one up already. I'll have it up here on the cards for you guys. I'll be taking my Too Faced multi-use concealer in the shade Golden. This has to be my favorite shade for this concealer. It's just perfect. I can honestly just wear this shade alone and I'll be good. I'll be applying this in areas where I want more coverage. Now I'll be blending it out with my damp beauty blender. And oh my god, I've got to get better at applying and not opening my mouth so freaking wide. I look so funny. Now to contour my face, I'm going to take this Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt in the shade Medium. And I'm also applying it with my Makeup by Mario brush. I feel like I haven't done a voiceover in so long, like very long, that I don't even know what I'm doing. But I'm also loving how like therapeutic this is to me right now. Do not forget to contour your nose, of course. Now for cream blush, I'll be taking this plouise, the cheek of it, in Sunkissed Mist. It's my favorite shade of all time. I know I have to try more shades out, but here we are. Now to highlight my under eye, I'll be taking the almond shade and Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium sand. And this combo right here, perfection. I do use my fan to, dry up the concealer a little bit so it can be like more full coverage, if that makes sense. But I'm also blending it out with my damp beauty blender. And just take your time here. Actually, this is my favorite part of my face routine. I feel like I really just focus on blending out, make sure that there's no harsh lines, make sure that it's all smooth, and yeah. To set my concealer, I'll be using the Mercier Translucent Honey. This just has been my go-to setting powder. I use it to bake. I use it to obviously set my under eyes, but it's such a great shade, especially if you're around my skin tone. Like, I recommend this shade so much. Again, if you guys want to see my in-depth full face base routine, I'll have it linked up here so you guys can go ahead check it out. To set my whole entire face, I'm using this One Size Beauty Turn Up the Base powder in the shade 4G Medium. Now to bronze up the face, I'm going to use the Lunar Beauty Outer Dimension palette, and I'm taking Tan Sky, and yeah, just apply this all over your face. Now for some blush, I'm taking this Too Faced Cloud Crush blush in the shade Tequila Sunset. It's such a beautiful, beautiful shade, as you guys can see. And now I'm just cutting my cheekbones a little bit more by baking. So for today's eyes, I'm going to keep it a little simple. I'll be using this KKW Beauty Honey Matte palette. I know it's discontinued, but you guys can, you know, get any orange transition shade and just apply it all over your crease. But yeah, I'm just applying this shade. I'm literally just taking 2 shades out of this palette to create this look. But you guys will see the star of the show right now. Oh, I'm so excited. Now I'm going to take this matte nude shade with this shader brush, and I'm literally just applying this all over my lid. I want it to look matte. Now for the star of the show, I'm taking this Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow in the shade, of course, Space Cowboy, right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. But there's a bunch of shades that I want to try. I really want to try Solstice. But yeah, I'm just taking my finger and literally patting this on my lid. You guys don't have to be super perfect and precise about applying this shade. I literally just take it everywhere and anywhere on my lid. But here I'm just showing off the beautiful sparkle. It's so pretty, right? Now, you guys don't have to do this, but I always like taking a liquid liner. This one is from Fenty Beauty in Big Truffle, but I like taking it because, I don't know, it just adds a little oomph to my eyeshadow and it looks really, really nice. Now, before I apply my falsies, I'm taking my Lancome mascara. This one is the Adole mascara, if I'm not mistaken. So for lashes today, I'm taking my Birdie lashes in Gemini. These are pretty old, that's why they look a little wonky, but these are my favorite. But now I'm applying my Wing It mascara, also from Birdie lashes. And for my inner corner, I'm taking a matte white shade. This just been like my go-to look, and I love how it just opens up my eyes and it's so pretty on my eye shape. But now I'm gonna apply some highlight. For today's lip combo, I'm using Dose of Colors. This lip liner is from the collab with All Our Frab. It is Flip Phone. And then for my lipstick, I actually don't know the name, but I'll have everything on the description box. So make sure to check my description box so you guys can know every single product that I used on this look. So now to brighten up my favorite areas, which is under my eye, we all need that. And then also like my forehead, chisel my cheeks a little bit. But I'm using this Jaclyn Hill all face palette in the shade light medium. It's so good. Go get it. And then, you know, setting everything with my Morphe setting spray. And voila. That is it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed my just It's just like my night out makeup routine that never fails me. It's so pretty, and yeah. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please like this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.